Hi, I'm Miss Penny, and these are the Kid Vision Kids, and we're here today to find out how pasta is made.
Hi, my name is Eva. I come from Rome, Italy, and this is Spaghetto Factory. Welcome here.
Wonderful. Where do you think spaghetti originates from?
Italy.
Italy. Can you tell us a little bit about Italy?
Sure, Italy is a small nation in Europe, as a peninsula, and the nickname is Lo Stivale. It means the boots, because it has this shape. And our most famous food is pizza and pasta. And here in Spaghetto Factory, we made the best pasta in the town.
The best pasta. And I hear an accent in your voice. Do you speak English and another language?
Italian and English.
Italian and English.
Yes.
That's fantastic. So it's wonderful to know two languages. All right, let's learn about pasta.
Let's go.
Let's go. Wow, this is a great kitchen. What kind of ingredients make up pasta?
We have flour, water, eggs, salt, passion, and love.
Can you tell me which ingredients are wet and which are dry?
Water and eggs are wet. Flour and salt are dry.
That is very true. Are there two types of flour?
Yes, we use two types of flours to give different characteristics to the pasta. So we have the high gluten flour, the white one, that gives the structure of the pasta, and we have the durum flour that is a little bit more yellow, and it gives the pasta the elasticity to have different shape.
So the white flour makes it stiffer, and the yellow flour gives it flexibility.
Exactly. So we need both of them to make a good pasta.
Great. So now we need to measure them because we have to measure ingredients. I see several types of measurement tools here. What is this called?
This is a big measuring bin,
It is a big measuring bin. Ooh, what's this called with all the numbers around it?
a scale,
A scale. And then over here, see we have some, what is this tool called?
a scooper.
A scooper. Give me 5. Good job. I think we are ready to make some pasta. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yes, let's go. Well, now that we know what ingredients go into our pasta, it's time to make the dough.
Start the dough with the flour. So we need to measure the flour, 1 cup of each.
It's very important to measure your ingredients before you cook it so that you have the same consistent ingredients in everything you make. Okay, so we're going to measure our ingredients.
So we have the white flour, the high gluten flour. So 1 cup of this.
Okay, 1 cup. We're putting in our dry ingredients first. And now we need 1 cup of the yellow
1
flour.
cup of the yellow one. Perfect.
Okay, so now we have both types of flour and we need salt. How much salt do we need?
We need for this quantity 1 pinch of salt. Little bit more, Zach.
1 more pinch, a pinch.
Good job.
Good, and now we would mix up these ingredients,
We
correct?
mix a little bit.
Go ahead, you can mix it with your hand. We mix up the dry ingredients before we put in the wet ingredients. Each of you is going to get 1 egg, and then I'm going to put in the water. Because the eggs and the water are the wet ingredients.
Strongest, strongest.
And open. Hey, we did it. I'm doing it.
Bravo, Zach. Perfect.
Oh, all right.
Okay, okay.
All right, and now I'm going to add water, but we need a mixer to go around and around, correct? Or do you usually use your hands?
Usually when you make like this, we use the hand.
Does it feel weird? I'm going to add water, mix it around and around in one circle. While I add water.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Mix and mix as hard as you can. All right, can I have it turn? Look, it's starting to turn a good consistency.
As not to stick to the hand, so we need more
So
flour.
we need more flour so it won't stick to our hands. So we put 1 cup of each of the types of flours, eggs, a pinch of salt, some water, and that's it. It
Then
really
that's
doesn't
it.
take very much.
But anyway,
All right,
they enjoy.
let's move on to shapes of spaghetti. it's time to make shapes. What kind of shape should we try?
So we try to make a long one to make some gnocchi.
So we want to make a long...
rolling a little bit with a hand.
Okay. This is
You
what we're
can
doing.
roll on the table. Perfetto. Good
like
job.
it.
Go,
Oh, now
go,
you're
go.
going to
Has
the
to
table.
become long. Long and thin. Let me help you with this. Little bit like this.
Is it
and
better
little
to
bit.
go like this?
See, start with this and finish with this and try to extend with your hand. When you are like this, you take a knife,
Hands back,
okay?
please.
And it's really easy. Wow!
Look at little pastas. What are those called?
Gnocchi.
Gnocchis. Wow, we learned that we can make dough into shapes, but if you were going to make so many pastas for people to eat at a restaurant, you'd have to make a lot of different shapes. It would take forever. So you use a machine.
Yes, we use the machine. We have different extruders that we put on the main machine to have different shape.
It's like a Play-Doh machine. You push the dough through the extruder,
Exactly.
and it makes a shape. What shape did that one come from?
This pasta,
Why?
because it fits.
It fits into the shape. Good thinking. And what shape do you think yours is?
This one because it fits in and it's good.
Thumbs up for you. And I have a trick question for you. Which extruder extruded that pasta, spaghetti?
This one
Why?
because it can fit through these tiny holes.
It fits through those tiny holes. Good. So we make lots of different shapes using extruders. Do they taste differently, the shapes?
No, it's only the shape. The dough is the same, make with the same ingredients, so same taste.
Same taste? Should we taste? Would you guys like to have a taste test?
Yes!
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Thanks. Wow, we really learned about pasta. Now it's time to learn about sauce.
We have 3 different sauces here: pesto, alfredo, and tomato basil. Like the Italian flag, so green, white, and red.
What do you think is the main ingredient for tomato basil?
Tomatoes.
I think so too. What do you think the main ingredient is for white sauce for Alfredo?
Milk.
Milk. Good choice. And what do you think the main ingredient of a green sauce is?
Basil.
It's basil. Very good. Should we try them? Which one would you like to try?
That one.
That's the pesto sauce. Here's your pasta. We'll put that in front of you. What does it smell like?
Basil.
It smells like basil. Just give it a try. But it tastes good. Is it sweet or sour?
Sour.
Which one would you like to try?
Alfredo.
Alfredo sauce. What do you think?
It's good.
What would you like to try?
Alfredo.
Alfredo. You like it? Miss Ava, thank you very much for taking us all around the pasta factory. We really learned how to make pasta. It was fantastic, and we even learned how to eat it with all these beautiful sauces. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Grazie!